2012 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.